Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to switch between multiple profiles in the Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you are using multiple profiles for work, personal or other purposes, switching between them is very easy and takes just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Now go to the top right corner and click on the profile icon. From the drop down menu, click on the current profile name. Here you will see all your available profiles under other profiles section. To switch to another profile, simply click on the profile name you want. A new Firefox window will open with that selected profile. You can now use that profile with its own bookmarks, passwords, extensions and settings. If you want to switch again, repeat the same steps by clicking on the profile icon and choosing another profile. Each profile runs independently, so your data will not mix between profiles, and that's how you can easily switch between multiple profiles in Mozilla Firefox. This method is simple, fast and does not require any command or technical steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.